Welcome to Meru Accounting. So here we have been creating a short video for explaining on how we can do bookkeeping for lawyers. So in this video, we are going to cover key aspects of bookkeeping for a law firm. So main things are trust accounting, how to track expenses, income, time and billing, working on accounts receivable, general ledger maintenance, compliances that would be requiring for a typical law firm, and technology you should use for ensuring that you are able to do the bookkeeping and all of the admin aspects of law firm at ease. So, coming to the main aspects of bookkeeping for a trust accounting, uh, trust accounting is where the clients often hold the funds in trust account and then they pay to themselves out of that trust account and they make disbursements out of that trust account. So we need to keep a separate trust account to ensure that who is owed what amount of money out of that trust account. We do a separate trust accounts for each of the clients and ensure that it's being recorded correctly. As far as expenses and income are concerned, there are various expenses, and the main expenses is the payroll cost in a big law firm. They need to see what are the expenses for each of the cases and ensure that it's being recorded by each of the cases so that they can ensure that they know what is the profitability for each of the case. Other major expenses can also be tracked via cases, so that helps to know the project level profitability. Time and billing. Billing the client is more important because they would be billing on they will be giving the rate on per hour basis. So we can have accurate billing if you're using any time tracking software, and that also integrates with the billing software. We'll in the later part of video will suggest which is the good software for time and billing. Accounts receivable. We need to monitor what's being owed to the firm and need to set up regular reminders and ensure that it's being reconciled on a timely basis. We need to do bank reconciliation and ensure that general ledger is being maintained up to date. As far as the compliances are concerned, there would be a regulatory requirement where they would be required to submit the books of accounts to of a law firm. So we need to ensure that the books of accounts are kept up to date and ensure that any it's being used for the tax filings as well. Coming to the softwares and technology, if we are not using any software, it's very difficult to keep a track of what money is being owed, what is the balance of trust account, and various other things. So we have shortlisted a few of the softwares: Clio, Abacus Data, Bill for Time, and CCH iFirm. These are some of the softwares which are highly used by the lawyers, and we recommend using them. So once your bookkeeping is done, we suggest you that you should be having looking at your key performance indicators to know the success of a law firm, and this helps you to know the performance of the law firm. So one is the billable hours, where the law firm should be able to know what is billable compared to non-billable hours. Realization rate, it mentions the rate of total hours that are billed against the firm against the hours that are being utilized in the firm. Utilization rate measures the lawyers who are on bench and who are not utilized. So it ensures that lower the utilization rate, the better is the efficiency. You need to ensure so it can help you to see whether the resources are more or less and need to be adjusted accordingly. Matter profitability, it helps to know what's an earning per each of the cases received. Client retention rate, it helps to know the life cycle of a client and ensure that they are staying long term with the firm. Return on investment, if there are any digital marketing efforts then or any other marketing efforts, then it helps to know what's the return on the digital marketing. Collections ratio, it helps you to know within time frame and the days in which the accounts receivable has been cleared. Profit margin, it is the net profit ratio, it